the Swamp Life. And I'm here with my great friend, Tommy Johnson, founder and lead contributor to the Originals Nation. Excellent community that I've been a part of for a couple of years now. He has a special program that he want to talk to everybody about that he's got going on. What's happening, Tommy? How you doing, brother?
I'm wonderful, Rico. Thanks 15 trillion, man, for taking a moment to engage in dialogue. I feel like within every tragedy, with every crisis, there's always an opportunity. And our goal today is really to share a program called ByeCOVID, which is a cultural response protocol to solve or impact those disenfranchised communities that are being exposed to the coronavirus. Our position is really always about standing in independence to protect, preserve, and perpetuate our culture. And this program is an effort to do that by pulling resources from within the community to deploy a program that's designed to first provide COVID rapid testing through a partnership with a prominent pharmaceutical company who has developed some very innovative technology that allows us to take a finger prick sample and know within 13 to 20 minutes whether a person has been infected or has an infection phase with COVID. That's the beginning of being able to approach this challenge, is first having the information about where you stand. So in this ByeCOVID program, we start with rapid testing. And then from there, we couple that with a preventative care package. And the preventative care package is purely designed to provide things like masks, sanitizers, and plant-based solutions, things like lemon and ginger, cayenne pepper, all types of natural things that can assist in protecting our immune system, which is one of the primary ingredients with being able to combat this virus. Wow. So this ByeCOVID program is really a cultural healing program designed to overcome the barriers that exist between our people receiving healthcare in a way that we can leverage our own personnel to go block by block, yard by yard in the community to provide testing, to provide preventative care packages, and do it in a very culturally architected, easy, cool way. So I'm super excited about the program. We're going to kick it off and launch it with the city of Compton. And we're looking forward to spread this program to other communities, other cities where we are the majority population, and really have a program that is for us and by us.
I dig it, man. One of the biggest things, the biggest hurdles we have to clear here is knowing which one of us is a carrier, which one of us is infected, because a lot of people really don't have the symptoms out there. And I just applaud your efforts, man, to get this out into communities that truly need it, not the ones that just can afford it as well. So bravo with that, man. Always doing great stuff.
Thank you.
And I love that. So if you can just let us know, like how can we get involved? How can we, the people, get involved? So I'm gonna be putting this out on all my several networks as well. Make sure we get the light shining on the program as bright as possible.
Sure. The best way to inquire and support is to go to byecovid.org, ByeCOVID.org. And there you'll find some information about the program and how you actually can get involved.
Excellent. And you want to leave us with a little bit about Originals Nation too?
Sure, absolutely. Well, we're a nonprofit that organizes Black America for economic progress. So we have a national community that are truly and solely focused on addressing the economic inequalities that support systemic oppression. And we focus on economics primarily because the next step in our cultural maturity, going from fighting the power, to actually being power, is about economic expansion and wealth as a group. So our work is primarily rooted in raising consciousness and pooling resources for the sole and singular mission of advancing our economic position as a diaspora to 50 to 15 trillion of total wealth and resources.
Dig it, man. Dig it, dig it, dig it. That's high power shit right there, man.
High power is the only way, and that's
Yes.
what we are as a people.
Much love. And where can they find information on Originals Nation? Where can they find you there?
Sure, you could either go to originalsnation.com or on Instagram at originalsnation. On all social channels, it's actually at Originals Nation.
Excellent. Much love, brother. Again, if you guys have any questions at all, please, it's ByeCOVID.org and also Originals Nation, man. Glad to be a member, glad to be a contributor. And thank you for everything you do, brother. Much love to you.
My pleasure, man. Peace and blessings. Thank you, Rico.
For that. Oh, up.
There it is.
Yes. All right,
hey,
cool.
Man, everything is in a circle.
Absolutely.